Welcome to the Smart Lab Activities How to Demo Series. This demo is how to use Speedup. I'm in a notebook file on a new page, and I'm going to create a Speedup activity, an activity that asks students to answer multiple choice or true-false questions as quickly as they can. On the top menu, I select the Smart Lab icon. This opens up a list of all the Smart Lab activities, and I'm going to scroll down and select Speedup. The Speedup dialog box opens. In this first step, I can select either multiple choice or true-false. I'm going to select true-false. And I'm going to type in my first statement. And under that, I'm going to select false because this answer is false. I want to add more than just one statement or question, so at the top right, I'm going to click Add Question. And I'm going to follow the same steps to add in all my questions. When I'm done, at the bottom, I click Next. I can review my questions and answers. If I have to change anything, I double-click to open up that question and make any changes that I need. At the right, I can select a time limit per question. I'm going to leave this at 15 seconds. When I'm done, at the bottom, I click Finish. My activity builds and the Speedup Racers track appears on the page. During class, I click Start. I select how many racers I want for this race. If I select 3 or 4, a message pops up so I can verify if the display I'm using supports the number of players. I'm going to click Pick Again. I've split my class into 2 groups and selected a group leader for each group. I'm going to select 2. At the bottom of the track, each group leader can click on a color, and the race cars appear on the track and the race starts. The first question pops up and each team has 15 seconds to answer it. At the bottom of the track, each team leader selects an answer, either A or B, to answer the question. When both teams have selected an answer, they get immediate feedback, either green for correct or red for wrong. Then the question and the answer appears again, so you can review them as a class, and then the race continues. When all the questions are answered, the race is done, and you can review the final results. It looks like the red team won. Actually it was a tie, but they won because they had less seconds to answer the questions. You can review your answers, and I and the students can go through each question. We can discuss the question first, and I can click Show Answer to show which answer is correct. And then I can click Show Players to see which team answered it correctly and which answered incorrectly. Down the bottom there is a bottom border. If the bottom border is gray, the player didn't answer the question on time. If it's red, they got the answer wrong, and if it's green, they got the answer right. If I want to change something in the activity, I open its notebook page, and in the top right corner of the Activities player, I click the pencil icon to open the Activities dialog box and make any changes I want. Thanks for watching. Check out the other demos in this How to Demo series.